Welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheels, guys. Today we're featuring something new, something exciting. Factory Fresh, number 2 out of 10. I recently reviewed Audi RS6. Here you go. I'll post a link down below, or scroll down, you'll see it. I'm going to post them. I haven't posted that yet, but I'll post them at the same time. Anyways, 214 out of 250. I believe last year this was a treasure hunt edition also. So even though it's factory fresh, but it's been around since last year. RS6 Avant. Nice hatchback. Not hatchback, but a station wagon. So let's just open it up and see inside. And then I'm going to put it on my spin wheel. Here you go. Yep, spin wheel, or spin roof. Let's look right here up front. Sorry for the little blurriness, all that light. So anyways, here you go, RS6. FF. I don't know what that means. Factory fresh, that's what it is. So here you go. 2 pair spoke wheel, nice metallic blue color. Pretty good going off-roading or just going fishing, I see, with a nice custom car. So gray windows, gray interior. Nice, paid attention to details. Same thing with the mirrors. Alright, let's just put on my spin wheel. Here you go, and let's look at closer detail on it. Nice emblema. Not emblema, but antenna. Here you go. Pretty nice attention to details. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment. And sorry once again for all the blurriness, all that. But I'll work on it. Thank you. Have a good day.